Hello coders, welcome to JWT School day 24 session of Mastering Spring Boot. So in this session, we performing authorization using Spring Security. Okay. So in previous three videos of Spring Security, part A, we did logging and registration. In a part B, we did email verification where we use email configuration. In a part C, we did authentication. Okay. So in this video, we performing authorization with multiple roles. Okay. So if you not watch that three videos, part A, B, and C, I highly suggest you to watch that three videos and jump over here. You already watched that, you're good to go. Okay. So if you're new to our channel, I highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. So whenever we upload a new video, you get a notification of that. And we create JWT School Telegram group also. You can join that Telegram group. Okay. Link in the coming description, QR code also coming. You can scan that and join, where we sending all resource at interview tips and tricks and all our video updates. Okay. So go and join that group also. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay. So in authentication means what? We authenticate any entity with respect to some details. Like in normal example, we authenticate user by using username and password. Okay. Authorization means what? We give authority to particular user to perform any operation, like to access to particular module. Okay. So for example, we have multiple role with us. Okay. So as per our business logic, we create a three roles. Okay. One is user over there, normal user, which using our blogging website. Then we have admin over there. Okay. So admin have some access over there. And we have super admin. Okay. So super admin have all access to a particular portal. Admin have limited access and user have their specific access. Okay. So with respect to that three roles, we perform authorization. Okay. So I already create multiple users, means I already perform registration operation to multiple user to save our time. Okay. So I create one user with like user@devbyteschool.com. That user role have roles.user. Then we have admin, and admin have role admin. Okay. And we have super admin email id, which have like role super admin roles. Okay. So in our API, we need to use one annotation. Okay. The annotation name is pre-authorize. Okay. So in pre-authorize, basically what happen when you perform a logging operation. Okay. First, this pre-authorize means for that particular create blog API, only user can create particular blog. Okay. As per our business logic, like user only create a blog, then user have ability to update a blog, then user and admin and super admin all of have ability to get the particular blocks. Okay. Then all three roles have ability to delete the particular block. Why? For example, if user create any blog, okay, that contain vulnerable contents that we can't publish. Okay. Or any other user raise a flag that blocks particular all details contain like vulnerable or a detail that harmful for readers, admin and a super admin have ability to delete that particular blog. Okay. So here, when perform a delete block operation, like user also delete the particular block, admin also delete the particular block. Okay. So if you want to define a single role, okay, you can use this has authority with pre-authorize. Okay. And if you want to define the multiple role, you can use has any authorities and a has role. Okay. That accessible for multiple roles. Okay. So let's run our system. Okay. And check all functionality working fine or not. So that enough configuration required for authorization. So our system is running. I suggest you, I did the configuration with a static level. Okay. You can create your own project. In that you can achieve by using dynamic level also. Okay. For example, storing the all roles in a database. Okay. And fetch that role, means you have one role table over there. That role table contain multiple roles. Okay. You can fetch that record at a runtime when your system is running, and automatically it's load all those role. Okay. and perform the operation. So here we define in a static way. In future, what happen in our business requirement, one more role added. Name is like a accountant. Okay, role is equal to accountant. Okay, or role is equal to HR. Okay, so we not add this all role in statically. We can save in a database. So you can do that and perform that operation. And if you successfully achieve that, share your GitHub link in a description. So perform in your GitHub repository. If you successfully achieve that, give us a link in a description. We will showcase that stuff. Okay. And if you have this process in this playlist, please write down comment. We will implement that also. Okay. So our system runs successfully. So let's check all working fine or not. So as per our requirement, only user able to create a block. Admin and super admin don't have access to create a block. So let's check that. Okay. So let's perform a logging operation. So let's perform with user. So I'm using user @ devbyteschool.com email ID with password as test, and I'm call the API. So token is successfully created. Let's copy that token and let's perform a save operation. Okay, so we paste the token, and in body we performing saving one blocks, which is Spring Boot block. Okay, and click on send. So our block saves successfully. Okay, so after that, let's logging with admin and try to perform same operation. Okay, admin username is admin@devbyteschool.com and password test, and click on send. Okay, after clicking on send, so token is created. Copy that token. Okay, and paste over here in save operation on headers. Okay, and click on send. Okay, when we update our user to admin, okay, this API give unauthorized error. So in that way, only user have ability to create the particular block. So in other example, what we are doing in a delete operation of block, user and admin have a ability to delete the particular block. Super admin don't have a access to do that. Okay, it just take this as an example, not as a real business logic. We understanding the whole Spring Security concept. So take as an example. Okay, so let's try to delete the block with super admin and see what happen. Okay, so let me move my face over here. So first logging with super admin and click on send. Okay, after clicking on send, just copy the whole stuff and let's try to uh, perform a delete operation with super admin. Okay, and click on send. So we get 403 unauthorized. Okay, and let's log in with admin and try to delete the particular block. So it's, let's see it's working fine or not. Let's copy that whole stuff. Okay, and just go to delete. Okay, and just update our token and click on send. Okay, after clicking on send, we get a successful response, block delete successfully. So our authorization flow working fine as expected. So that's it from today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment. Okay, I will try to address that. I will push the all code to our GitHub repository. You can go and take a reference from there. Okay, and let's meet on next video. Till then, happy coding.